Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your Brother MFC-J5855DW printer step by step from unboxing to printing your first test page. Make sure to watch this video completely so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Remove all protective tapes. Inside the box, you should find the printer, starter ink cartridges, power cord, quick setup guide. Keep the box and packing materials in case you need to transport the printer in the future. You will also need USB cable, Ethernet cable. You can adjust the control panel angle for easier viewing. Step 2. Now let's load paper. Pull the paper tray completely out. Fan the stack of paper well. Place the paper into the tray. Adjust the paper guides so they fit snugly. Do not exceed the maximum paper mark. Push the tray slowly back into the printer. Pull out the paper support until it locks into place. Step 3. Now connect the power cable to the printer and plug it into a power outlet. Turn the printer on. The LCD screen will light up. Step 4. Open the ink cartridge cover. Take the black ink cartridge, shake it horizontally 15 times before inserting. Insert the cartridge following the LCD instructions. Repeat for all color cartridges. Close the ink cartridge cover. The printer will now prepare the ink system. The first time installation uses extra ink to fill the tubes. This is normal. Step 5. Follow the instructions on the LCD screen to set the date, set the time. After that, you can configure LCD message defaults. Step 6. Press Start on the screen. The printer will print a print quality check sheet. Check the 4 color blocks carefully. If any lines are missing, follow the on-screen cleaning procedure. Step 7. Press Start to print the adjustment sheet. Locate the black circle mark in the upper right corner. Place the sheet face down on the scanner glass. Make sure the black circle is in the upper left corner of the scanner glass. Close the lid. Follow the LCD instructions to complete alignment. Remove the sheet when finished. This step ensures high-quality printing. Step 8. If you plan to use fax, connect telephone line. Lift the scanner cover. Connect the telephone line cord into the port labeled Line. Guide the cord through the back. Close the scanner cover. Select language if needed. Go to Settings, enter your fax number, your name. This information will appear on outgoing fax pages. Step 9. If you're using Wi-Fi, press the Wi-Fi icon on the screen. Tap Find Wi-Fi Network. Select your network name, enter your Wi-Fi password, press OK. Once connected, the screen will show Connected. If setup fails, restart both the router and printer, then try again. Step 10. Visit setup.brother.com. Download and install the Brother software. Follow the on-screen instructions. You can connect using wireless, USB, or Ethernet. After installation, your setup is complete. Step 11. Important network security tip. The default password to manage the printer settings is printed on the back of the machine and labeled PWD. For security reasons, change this password immediately. Congratulations! Your Brother MFC-J5855DW is now ready to print, scan, copy. You can also check for firmware updates at support.brother.com. If you face any issues during setup, Wi-Fi connection, ink problems, or driver installation, don't worry. Contact Printer Support. Our support team is available to help you with fast and reliable assistance. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.